Hey designers, let's quickly add lightning effects to this image. First, open the image you want to apply lightning to. Then, search for lightning on Google and choose a suitable picture. Right-click to copy the image, minimize it, and open Photoshop. Press Ctrl+V to paste the lightning image onto your canvas. To remove the black background, use the magic wand tool to select the black color, then press Delete. Deselect by pressing Ctrl+D. Use the selection tool to adjust and transform the lightning's position and shape, adding rotation if needed. Press Enter when satisfied. Duplicate the main image by selecting the background and pressing Ctrl+J. Select the duplicate layer and the lightning. Then go to Edit, Auto Blend Layers. Stack images. Hide unnecessary layers. Change the blending mode to Color Dodge, and adjust the opacity. Once satisfied, you're done. Thank you so much for watching. For more quick tutorials like this, follow my channel and do comment and do like this video.